Now, last year you made a short crust pastry. When taking it up a level with an even nicer short crust. This is a slightly richer one, and it's called pâté brisé. So when you've made your pastry, you need to chill it for at least half an hour. You wrap it in cling wrap and chill it, and then you can use it. That helps the gluten to relax before you roll it out, so it's less likely to spring back on you and go all wobbly. So I've put some plain flour on the board, and I'm going to roll this out into the shape I want. Now, because I'm making a quiche, I'm going to use my quiche tin. I'm going to just show you my quiche tin now. This is my quiche tin. You can see it's fluted. It has a loose bottom, okay? And we're going to line this with the pastry. I have another quiche tin I could use too. This is a more modern version where you can make it almost so you can do slices. And that one has a loose bottom as well. It's a non-stick pan.
Why are they fluted?
They're fluted because it just gives it a really decorative edge. And quiche tins usually have the fluted edge for quiche, not a straight edge. But if you don't have one of these at home, just use a pie plate, and you'll get instead of a good quiche from a pie plate, okay? But this is just showing you what happens. Now, when I bake this, I'm going to sit this on a baking sheet like that in the oven, because occasionally they do leak when you have the filling in there. And so I always put mine on a baking sheet so that if it does leak, it only leaks onto the baking sheet and not all over the base of the oven.